That's where selling your Bitcoin on Newton comes in. Now, Newton is a Canadian exchange known for its user-friendly interface and slick mobile app, making it a great platform for both Bitcoin newbies and seasoned crypto cowboys. Today's all about turning your Bitcoin back into hard currency, so buckle up and let's walk through the selling process on Newton, step by step. First things first, you'll need a Newton account. If you haven't already signed up, the process is quick and painless. Just download the app or head to their website and follow the prompts. Once you're verified and logged in, you're ready to enter the crypto trading arena. Now, here's the exciting part, selling your Bitcoin. Head over to the trade section of the app. Here, you'll see a sleek interface with everything you need to make your move. Don't worry, it's not intimidating. At the top, you'll see two options, buy and sell. Since we're cashing out that Bitcoin, tap on Sell. This transforms the interface, and that's where the magic happens. You'll see two sections, Sell Crypto on top and Receive CAD at the bottom. This is where you essentially tell Newton how much Bitcoin you want to sell and how much Canadian loonies you expect in return. Here's the beauty, you can choose your selling style. If you're all about speed and want the best available exchange rate at that moment, choose the market order option. This tells Newton to sell your Bitcoin as fast as possible at the current market price. However, if you're a control freak like me, and hey, no judgment, you can use a limit order. This lets you set a specific price you're happy to sell at. Basically, you tell Newton, don't you dare sell my Bitcoin for less than X Canadian dollars. This can be a good strategy if you believe the price of Bitcoin is about to rise and you want to squeeze out every last penny. Just remember, with a limit order, your trade might take a while to execute if the market price doesn't reach your desired amount. Alright, so you've chosen your selling style, whether it's market order for speed or limit order for control. Now, in the Sell Crypto section, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert to cash. You can either type in the exact amount of Bitcoin or tap that handy drop-down menu and choose a percentage of your total Bitcoin holdings. Once you've decided how much Bitcoin to sell, Newton will automatically calculate the estimated amount of Canadian dollars you'll receive based on the current market price for market orders or your limit price. Here's your chance to double-check everything. Make sure the amount of Bitcoin you're selling, the chosen selling method, market or limit order, and the estimated CAD amount all look good. Satisfied? Then tap that glorious Review Trade button. This brings you to a final confirmation screen, giving you one last chance to see all the details before you hit the Go button. If everything looks good, and you're ready to say goodbye to some Bitcoin, at least for now, then with a tap of the Sell Bitcoin button, the deed is done. Newton will work its magic, converting your Bitcoin into sweet Canadian dollars. The funds will be deposited into your Newton CAD wallet, which you can then easily withdraw to your bank account. And that's it. You've successfully sold your Bitcoin on Newton. Now you can use those CAD to, well, whatever your heart desires, that new gadget, a weekend getaway, or maybe even invest in some different cryptocurrencies. The beauty of crypto is its flexibility. With Newton, selling your Bitcoin is a quick and straightforward process, giving you back control over your hard-earned cash. So, there you have it. Now you're equipped to navigate the selling side of the Newton Crypto Exchange. Remember, the market fluctuates, so do your research and choose the selling method that best suits your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto trading.